Fast Frank is on the way. There will never ever be a delay. The park. Look at all the trees. This is where I'll find Barry. Barry the bear! Barry the bear!
Fast Frank, I think you are confused. Barry doesn't live in the park.
Oh, really? Mrs. Cat, maybe you know where bears live.
No, I don't. Maybe you should try someplace cold. Everybody knows Barry likes the cold.
Thank you, Mrs. Cat. Thank you so much. So in order to find Barry the bear, I need to find a place that has fish and trees and that is also cold. Where can I find such a place? That's a really hard question. Fish, trees, cold. Fish, trees, cold. Fish, trees, cold. I know, the Snowy Valley. Next stop, Snowy Valley. Fast Frank is here, don't you worry. Approaching Snowy Valley in a